Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks. Where are you getting ready to head out to?
We're getting ready to head to the hospital. I've got my right hip replacement surgery scheduled. I have to be there at 5:30. So we're heading up there and get checked in. And once I get checked in, we'll try to give you another update.
So what time did you get up this morning?
I think it was a little after 3 this morning.
Yeah, it was 3 when we got up. All right, we'll keep you updated. Are you getting it all figured out?
I broke it.
Oh no.
No. That's supposed to wrap it around my arm. Nobody knows.
Times middle one.
Hey, welcome Full Circle Ozarks family. Well, you probably are almost as surprised as I am, but I'm actually in the hospital. We've been beginning the preparation to do a right hip replacement, total hip replacement. We're going to get underway in just a few moments, but so just wanted to log in for a moment and bring you up to speed on what's happening, but should be in just a moment, get the IV started, and we'll bring you along for this ride. It's going to be a fun one. We'll talk to you later.
So you got you've got the thing to start your IV, and
it is 6:15, and my surgery scheduled for 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, yeah.
So the next step, Dr. Manti comes in, she signs my hip.
The next step, your anesthesiologist.
Okay.
And then she'll come in.
And then she comes in, okay.
They sign your hip?
Yeah. That's what the nurse just said.
Okay. All right.
Anyway.
And you're not nervous at all. I'm the one that's nervous.
I'm pretty much relaxed. I could go to sleep if I had enough time.
Yeah, they did just give you a little bit of medicine. But all right.
Well, hey friends. Surgery was a complete success. Matter of fact, it's been about 6 hours since I've had the surgery. I'm in my room, as you can see. I've actually been up walking twice already, and everything is going extremely well. I'm hoping if everything stays on track, I get to go home sometime tomorrow and just finish my recovery. So I'm excited. I've got a brand new hip. We're going to be able to manage the pain for a few days as things kind of mend up. But I'm excited that I'll be back out running that sawmill and excavator and making videos for you really soon. Take care and God bless. Well, hey friends, I'm setting up again. They just brought me some dinner, and can you believe at the hospital here they're serving steak, potatoes, broccoli, and some wonderful cheesecake. I've been up walking, I think 3 times so far, and it's just 5 o'clock in the evening. I had surgery at 7 a.m. this morning.
You haven't taken a nap?
No nap yet, so we're going to have supper. I guess some people call it dinner, but having my dinner, having a little bit of Dr. Pepper. The pain is being managed very, very well. The pain level that I've been experiencing is somewhat like it was prior to surgery, so that's working out very, very good. So I'm excited to see what tomorrow brings. If everything continues to progress, I'll go home sometime tomorrow. So I'll log back in later on and give you another update. Take care. Good morning. Welcome to Full Circle Ozarks. I had my hip replaced yesterday. I was up and down quite a bit yesterday walking and trying to keep the bruising and all down, the swelling. Got up this morning and the ice pack has helped a whole lot to keep my swelling down. They just brought me some breakfast. I'm beginning to eat that. And the doctor came in and saw me, and I'm on track to go home around noon today, and just to continue the healing process. So I look forward to getting this all mended up. I'm going to be on the walker for 2 weeks. Then I'll be on a cane for 2 weeks. Then I'm going to be in a hybrid situation for another 2 weeks. At 6 weeks, I'm going to be released if things stay on track. So I'm excited about that. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Talk to you later. Well, hey friends, I made it home a little after 12. This is I had the surgery yesterday at 7 a.m. and they released me, made it home, and I'm just up doing a little bit of walking around, trying to keep the stiffness out of it. But it's a little bit painful to walk, but motion is lotion, as they say. So I'm working on keeping it going. It's going to be sore, I'm sure, for a few days, but at least I'm able to make some progress. So I just wanted to bring you up to date, and we'll talk to you later. I'm hoping in a few days I'll trade this walker in for a cane, but what's important for me right now is just to continue the healing process, and I'm pleasantly surprised. I made the comment that this pain and discomfort that I'm having now is somewhat similar to what I had before I ever had surgery. So that's a good thing. I know that the healing process is taking place. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I'm looking forward to being back 100%. So,
What are you gonna trade the cane in for? A tractor?
a tractor, an excavator. No, I figure it'll be 6 to 8 weeks before I'm out on the property doing a whole lot. But the good thing is the healing process has begun, and it wasn't going to get any better until I had it replaced.
Yep.
So I can't say it's been a pleasant experience, but it's been an exciting experience because I know that I'm getting better now.
It's been better than what we expected, though.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It's just kind of hard to comprehend sometimes, you know, when they talk about replacing your hip, cutting that joint completely out. It's wild what modern medicine can do now. But anyway, I just wanted to take a moment and say hi, let you know that I am going down the road of recovery, and I'll check back in later. Thank you.